In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 1, exercise 5.1, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Observe this question. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? We are having 5 statements. Which one is true or which one is false? We want to check and give reasons for your answer. Now first one I am taking, only one line can pass through a single point. From a single point, this is the single point. From this point, how many numbers of line can pass? From a single point, infinity number of lines can pass. From this point, infinity number of the lines can be passed, like this. This is the one line, this is the another line, this is one more line, this one is also passing from this one. So these lines are passing from a single point. So what we can say? Only one line can pass through a single point? No, this is the false statement. This is the false statement. This is what? This is true or false? Only one line can pass through a single point? No. From a single point, infinity number of lines, P, Q, R, S and so on. Infinity numbers of line can be passed. Clear? So this one is what? False statement. Now next one. There are an infinite number of lines. There are an infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. Observe. We are having two distinct points. 2 points we are having. From these 2 points, infinity number of lines can pass? No. 2 distinct points, only one straight line can pass. A and B are 2 distinct points, different points. 2 distinct points, only one straight line can pass. There are infinite number of lines which pass through the 2 distinct points? No, this one is also false. Only 2 distinct points, only one straight line can pass. 2 distinct points, only one straight line can pass. So this given statement is false. Clear? Third one, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. A terminated line. This is one terminated line, and this line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. Yes, it's true. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. This is the true statement. We draw a terminated line, we can produce indefinitely on both the sides. Or we can say we can terminate for terminated line can be produced infinitely on both the sides. This is the correct one. So third one is a true statement. Now next one. If 2 circles are equal, then their radii are equal. 2 circles, one circle, both circles are equal. It means radius of both circle. Once radius of both circle R and R, its radius is R1, its radius is R2. Once R1 equal to R2, then only once radius of both the circles are equal, then only we can say both are radius of circles are equal, then we can say circles are equal. So what? If 2 circles are equal, when these 2 circles are equal only when their radius are equal. Then only they are congruent or equal. Clear? Now last one. In figure, now fourth one is true statement. This one is what? True. 2 circles are equal, then their radius are equal. In figure, if AB equal to PQ, in a figure given AB equal to PQ, I am taking this one as equation number 1, and PQ, AB equal to PQ and PQ equal to XY, PQ equal to XY, equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, from both the equation we can say AB equal to PQ and PQ equal to XY. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say AB equal to XY. From both equation we can say AB equal to PQ and PQ equal to XY. In both equations we are having PQ, so we can say AB will be equal to XY. So we can say AB equal to XY. This is the true statement. This is the true statement. Clear? So these 5 questions we solved, all are simple. Observe again what we are doing in these questions. Only one line can pass through a single point. From a single point, infinity number of lines can be passed. Clear? So this one is the false statement. Now second one, there are an infinite number of lines which pass through a two distinct point. Only one straight line can pass. Only one line, and that one is what? Only one straight line can pass. So this one is also what? False. Now next one, a terminated line can be, yes, we can produce. Terminated line can be produced both sides indefinitely. This one is, third one is true. Next one, if two circles are equal, it means radius of both circles will be equal. Clear? So this one is true statement. Now next one, in figure AB equal to PQ, AB equal to PQ and PQ equal to XY, then we can say this line will be equal to this line. Clear? So this one also what? True statements. So in these 5, first and second are what? False, but third, fourth and fifth are true statements. Clear? So I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.